Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to integrate CCAvenue payments on CloudFunnels. Let's start. First, log into your CloudFunnels account. Then on the sidebar, click on Plugins. As you can see here, I have already installed CCAvenue payments, but you can easily install it just by clicking on the Add New Plugins button. Click on Install from Marketplace and search CCAvenue. Click on it and install. And it will automatically be installed to your CloudFunnels, and it will show up here. Now you want to click on this button to activate your plugin, and when it's activated, you will see it here on the sidebar menu. Now let's set it up. Click on it and select All Setups, and create New. First, I'll show you how to set up a live account. Now on setting up your CCAvenue API setup, you will need a merchant ID, access code, and working key. To get those, log into your CCAvenue account. Here on the dashboard, on the top right section, click on Settings and select API Keys. And here you can see the merchant ID, access code, and working key. All you need to do is copy these keys and paste it to CloudFunnels. After that, enter in the title. And as you can see, this type is live. You can also add in tax amount, which will be applied as percentage. Then save your settings. Now that our live account is added, this time let's create a test account. Again, click on Create New and add in the API setup details. Do the same process. Copy this key and paste it to CloudFunnels. Then, for this test account, select the type, which is Sandbox. And for the access and working key, first you need to contact your CCAvenue support, and they will provide your test account. So just to show you, I have my test account keys with me, and I'll paste it here on CloudFunnels. So please keep in mind that this is my key, and for your key, please contact your CCAvenue support. After that, add in the tax amount, then save settings. So as you can see, I have my test account and live account listed. For now, I'll show you the test account. On the sidebar, click on Products. Make sure you have your product listed, and if you don't have yet, you can create just by clicking on this button and add in the details of your product. After that, go to Funnels and Sites. Choose your funnel and click on the Edit Funnel button. Select the order form page, click on Settings, select your payment method, which is CCAvenue Test. Select a product, save settings, and you're done. For the live account, you'll just repeat the same process. And that is how you integrate CCAvenue payments on CloudFunnels. As always, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.